Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to connect MetaQuest 3 to PS5, here is the full guide for you. So first thing, there is a note that you have to keep in mind that the MetaQuest 3 doesn't natively support direct connection to PlayStation 5, the PS5, as Sony restricts PSVR functionality to its own headsets. So however, you can still play PS5 games in VR using a workaround with remote play and a PC. So what you will need: MetaQuest 3 headset, a gaming capable PC or laptop, stable internet connection, preferably 5 GHz Wi-Fi, then PS5 console, PlayStation Remote Play app installed on PC, then virtual decks or ALVR on Quest 3. Now here is a step-by-step guide for you that set up PS5 Remote Play on your PC. Go to this URL like this www.remoteplay.dl.playstation.net and you can find that Remote Play application that you can download and install the PS Remote Play app for Windows or Mac OS. Sign in using your PlayStation Network account, then on your PS5 go to settings, then go to system where you can find Remote Play, enable the Remote Play option. Now launch the Remote Play app on your PC and connect to your PS5. Install Virtual Desktop or ALVR on Quest 3. Purchase and install Virtual Desktop from the MetaQuest store. Then alternatively use ALVR, a free app side-loaded using SideQuest. Connect MetaQuest 3 to your PC. Open Virtual Desktop or ALVR on the Quest 3. Ensure both the headset and PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. Launch the desktop stream. Virtual Desktop auto-detects your PC. Launch PS5 Remote Play in VR. Once connected to your PC desktop in VR, open the PS Remote Play app. Maximize the window for a large screen view. You will now see your PS5 running inside your headset. It's like watching on a giant virtual screen. So here is the optional that use a Bluetooth controller. You can pair your DualSense controller directly to the PC if supported, or connected it to the Quest 3 using Bluetooth for the experimental. Now here are some limitations: that this method doesn't provide true VR gameplay, only a virtual flat screen experience, no motion tracking or 6DOF for PS5 games. Latency depend on your network and PC specs. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.